So if you've locked yourself out of your PDF or you've got a broken PDF, we're going to go through those two ways to resolve that today. First of all, try to open our PDF and it needs a password and we forgot it. PDFcrack. We have a word list, but you could try many different ones, and if you've got more time, Rocky will be fine, but this person had a list of possible passwords. Then we just PDFcrack. I had to change the number because it remembered my password. It does open up. You're going to see there's still more to it after that. And open, but nothing there. So the next step, your password. Go to this repair site. I did look at the headers and all that. It was taking too long and I wanted to get first blood. So then get repaired PDF. If we open that now, you can see part of the flag, and the flag. There you go.